Thanks for coming to check out today's video. This video is sponsored by DevaTress, so thank you so much DevaTress for sending over this new synthetic wig. If you guys want to check out this new unit that I'll be reviewing in this video, then make sure you keep on watching. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload, and make sure you guys are thumbs up and sharing these videos because it really helps me out. You guys, today we do have another unit from Bobbi Boss. This is a 13x4 hand-tied Swiss lace unit. This one is a free parting ear-to-ear natural hairline. This one I have in the style DAYANA, and I have her in the color TT4 DX2216. So let's go ahead and open this one up. I like the box on this. Ooh, the color is pretty. I had no idea what this color was gonna look like. I knew it had the number 4 in it, so I knew that it had the deep brown color that I really like. So I was like, yeah, let me go for it. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this color mix already. This one looks like it's just a straight unit with bumped ends. So let's take a look at the cap construction. So it is a lace frontal, ear to ear. It looks like it has a nice hairline, really pretty, really natural. I'm not seeing any baby hairs. Oh yeah, there are a couple little baby hairs, just a few short ones. I like the bump at the end. I love units like this that are not like totally bone straight. The texture is really nice too, and it's not too shiny. It's actually a very natural luster. It's not shiny at all. It has like a very natural sheen to it. So I am going to go ahead and pop this unit on. Let's look and see. So we have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the top, and 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. And it looks like it's that open air construction. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace and go ahead and put this unit on. If you're curious about the unit that I'm rocking right now, this one is also from DevaTress. I do have a video up on it, so I'll leave a link up here, and I'll also leave one down in the information box. All right, so this is Miss DAYANA. Very pretty, very simple unit. I decided not to put like a super hard part in her, but you obviously can do that if that's your preference. I put a little baby hairs on the front just because I felt in the mood for a little bit. You guys know I am the baby hair queen. Let me zoom out. I don't want to zoom out too far, but I do want to show you guys the unit. She is shedding, and I can't figure out if it's because of the way that I cut the lace, but I really don't think I did that bad of a job cutting the lace. But you know, blonde units tend to shed, so that is something that happens. This color is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It like makes me smile. For real, this might be my Mother's Day hair. Like, this is giving me mother vibes, mother of dragons. Mother's Day is on Sunday, so I feel like this is giving me very sleek, very mother. Here's the side view. There's the back. She's definitely long. I would definitely say she's like 26 inches. With some light layers in the front. Nothing too crazy though. It's pretty much just a straight unit with a bumped end. I love a unit like this. Sometimes the ends are too bumped and you have to straighten them, but these ends are literally perfection. So I would say this unit is like a 10 out of 10 for me. The only thing is, if you have a larger size head, you might struggle with these Bobbi Boss units because I would definitely say they're geared more to the medium to smaller size head. But the parting space is beautiful. And you probably could even do like a side part with this. And that would be cute as well. Nice little side part. Now, I would like to wear this one behind my ear if I did a side part. But if I wore it behind my ear, I definitely have to finesse this a little bit better in order to wear it behind my ear. So that, you know, you can't clock my lace. I would either pull my sideburns out or just my edges and flat iron it. But I'm trying not to put any heat on my hair. So I definitely have to figure out a way to like finesse. But I definitely like it with a side part. Super cute. You could always define your part. If you wanted to, you could just add a little powder. I like. Very nice. I love the texture. I love the density. This one feels a little thicker than the last one. So the density on this is more to my speed, more to my liking. Now this is a straight unit, so you're probably going to get some tangling. I already said you get a little bit of shedding off gate. So just be aware of that. You definitely got some flyaways in the front. Just use your hairspray and spray that down. Love it. Super cute. Let me know what you guys think about this unit, Dayana from Bobbi Boss. You can check her out on divatrust.com. I will leave links in the information bar down below. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys are sharing my channel with all of your friends and family, and you're sharing these videos. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one.